Myth number 1. AOOA Racing Caliper Covers are difficult to install. AOOA Racing Caliper Covers are easy to install. Just slide it onto your calipers, screw it right in, and done. It's so easy that you can install it yourself in your own garage. Myth number 2. Installing the caliper covers needs special tools. There's no need to use any special tools in installing these caliper covers. Just a simple Allen, an open-end wrench is enough to do the job. No tools? We got you. We provide Allen wrench, open-end wrench, and extra bolts along. Myth number 3. AOOA Racing Caliper Covers are made out of cheap materials. AOOA Racing Caliper Covers are made from die-cast aluminum alloy, which makes it lightweight but extremely durable. The surface is powder-coated, which makes it less susceptible to peeling and corrosion. And the logo is printed using high-performance industrial UV printers, which ensures strong adhesion.